Bronze, Copper, Age in India explained general characteristics, distribution and people. UGC NET Anthropology. Welcome to AnthroNet Academy, a study aligned with UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Dear learners, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, AnthroNet Academy, to keep me motivated to create more content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Gift on 10,000 subscribers. AnthroNet Academy is excited to announce a special gift for our viewers once we reach 10,000 subscribers. Why subscribe? We're bringing you the latest current affairs in anthropology, curated specifically for competitive exams. Stay updated with exam-oriented analysis, expert insights on recent developments, daily/weekly current affairs tailored for anthropology. Special surprise gift awaits all our early supporters once we hit 10K. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, be a part of our growing community, and take your anthropology preparation to the next level. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. AnthroNet Academy, your gateway to anthropology excellence. Introduction. The Bronze, Copper, Age, also known as the Chalcolithic Age, marks the transition from the Neolithic Age to the Iron Age. Time period: c. 3000 to 1000 BCE, varies regionally. Meaning: Chalcolithic equals chalcos, copper, plus lithos, stone. People used both stone and copper tools. Importance: beginning of metallurgy, permanent village settlements, growth of agriculture and trade. General characteristics: technology, copper and bronze tools, continued use of polished stone tools, wheel-made pottery, beadmaking and metallurgy. Economy: agriculture, animal domestication, hunting and fishing, craft production, barter trade. Society: permanent villages, family-based communities, occupational specialization, social differentiation. Religion: mother goddess worship, fertility cults, animal worship, burial practices. Distribution of Chalcolithic cultures. The Chalcolithic cultures were widely distributed across India. Major regions: Rajasthan, Ahar, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Kayatha, Navdatoli, Iran, Maharashtra, Nevasa, Diamabad, Namgyal, Karnataka, Brahmagiri, Maski. Major Chalcolithic cultures: Ahar culture, Rajasthan, black and red ware, copper metallurgy. Kayatha culture, Madhya Pradesh, copper tools, painted pottery. Malwa culture, Navdatoli, agriculture, large settlements. Jorwe culture, Maharashtra, planned villages, storage pits, advanced farming. The people. Physical characteristics: farming communities, semi-sedentary to permanent settlements. Occupations: farmers, herders, potters, metalworkers, bead makers, traders. Crops cultivated: wheat, barley, rice, in some regions, millets, lentils, pulses, Domesticated animals. Cattle, sheep, goats, buffalo, dogs. Houses and settlements. Houses. Circular, rectangular. Mud walls. Wattle and dog construction. Thatched roofs. Village features. Storage pits. Hearths. Granaries. Burial grounds. Economy. Agriculture. Main occupation. Irrigation in some regions. Crafts. Pottery. Copper tools. Beads. Ornaments. Textiles. Trade. Exchange of copper. Semi-precious stones. Pottery. Shell ornaments. Pottery. Common pottery traditions. Black and red ware. Red ware. Painted pottery. Burnished pottery. Decoration. Geometric designs. Floral motifs. Animal figures. Burial practices. Different burial customs. Extended burials. Urn burials. Fractional burials. Grave goods. Significance. Shows belief in afterlife. Ancestor worship. Contribution of the Bronze/Copper Age. Technological. Beginning of metallurgy. Economic. Agricultural surplus. Trade networks. Social. Permanent villages. Occupational specialization. Cultural. Pottery traditions. Religious beliefs. Regional cultures. UGC NET important one-liners. Chalcolithic equals copper plus Stone Age. Copper was the first metal widely used. Black and red ware is characteristic of many Chalcolithic cultures. Ahar culture is famous for copper metallurgy. Jorwe culture flourished in Maharashtra. In Mgaon is the largest Jorwe settlement. Diamabad is known for its famous bronze sculptures. Agriculture and animal husbandry formed the economic base. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.